Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to download Windows 11. To download Windows 11, visit the official Microsoft Windows 11 download page. Go to any browser and type Download Windows 11 in the search box and go to the first link. Must make sure it's Microsoft's official website. Open it. Here, you have a few options. Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Create Windows 11 installation media. Download Windows 11 disk image, ISO. Windows 11. Installation Assistant is ideal for upgrading your current system. Simply click Download Now and follow the on-screen instructions. And your download will begin. Choose Create Windows 11 Installation Media. If you're reinstalling or setting up a new device, select this option. You'll need a blank USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. The tool will guide you through creating a bootable USB drive. Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO. This option is for those who want to create a DVD or bootable USB manually or need the ISO for another purpose, like installing Windows 11 in a virtual machine. Click on Select Download and choose the 64-bit option if your system is 64-bit. Next, click on Download Now and wait for a few seconds. Now, select your language and click on Confirm. This will take a few seconds again. Finally, click on Download Now, and your download will begin. Once you have your preferred installation media ready, you'll proceed to install Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.